Hello guys, welcome to Auntie Mira's corner again. Today I'll be sharing with you tips on how to prepare Khati Khati from scratch. Khati Khati is a meal eaten in Cameroon. It is made up of fufu corn, berry, commonly called njama njama, and smoked or roasted chicken. Additional ingredients include Maggi, salt, pepper, onion, leeks, and palm oil. Okay guys, as you can see, I want to take one healthy cock from my small poultry farm. Like I told you guys, this Khati Khati is from scratch. This small cock is from my poultry farm. We are going to slaughter this cock. I hope you guys can really slaughter a cock. Here we have already slaughtered the cock. We have plucked the feathers. We have added some Maggi and salt on the chicken for it to taste, and we are smoking. We have to place it on the grillage. Place it on the grillage and occupy all the grillage so that it can quickly roast for us to continue our Khati Khati. While the chicken is roasting, we remove some corn from my little pan. As you can see, the chicken is roasting. We are peeling the corn that we are going to use for the corn flour. You have to peel the corn and thresh it. Peel the corn and thresh it. We are going to be using yellow corn for the fufu corn. Yellow corn is good corn for fufu corn. As you can see, our chicken is almost ready, so we need to turn the side of the chicken to make sure that all the chicken is fully roasted. I have to make sure that the chicken is fully roasted. Now our corn, we have finished threshing the corn, ready for grinding. The chicken is fully ready. As you can see, it is golden brown. It is ready. We have to remove it and keep it now to continue cooking in the next process. Okay guys, now we are in the farm. We are harvesting our berry. This berry is organic, no fertilizer, no grower, only manure from my small poultry farm. We are using a razor blade to harvest the berry. This is going to help the berry heal fast and sprout out new shoot. So as you can see, the harvest is good. God has blessed us this year with a good harvest. Now we are selecting and fixing the berry. Only the soft stems and the leaves are selected for cooking. The strong stems are thrown away. equally harvested some green onion or leeks from my small garden. Our huckleberry is already washed and ready for boiling. We add some salt to taste in the pot before adding the huckleberry. This is also going to give our huckleberry a good color, a green color when it is ready. This is our roasted chicken in the pot. We are adding in some tomatoes, some onion, some leeks, some pepper, and some palm oil, Maggi, and salt to taste. Adding in tomatoes is optional. I like to add tomatoes in my chicken because it is going to give me a nice taste and a good stuff for the huckleberry when it is ready. Now, while the huckleberry and the chicken is cooking, now this is the corn that has been turned into corn flour. This is the corn that has been ground into corn flour. We need to sieve the corn to remove the corn which is poorly ground before we start cooking our fufu. We have already removed our chicken. Now we are preparing the huckleberry. This is tomato, the remaining tomato, the onion, and the leeks that we are frying now. We are adding in some Maggi and some salt to taste. Here you have to minimize Maggi and salt because you already have Maggi and salt in the chicken. So we minimize Maggi and salt. Now we are adding in our huckleberry in the tomato already fried. And we have to mix it. Make sure that it blends. You have to mix it very well to have a smooth huckleberry mixed with tomatoes. Now we have already removed our huckleberry. We are warming the leaves that we are going to use, the plantain leaves that we are going to use to wrap our fufu corn. Fufu corn wrapped in leaves is the best fufu corn. It tastes different. As you can see, the cold water corn flour that was put in the pot has been boiling for some time. Now we add in the remaining corn flour and stir. We have to stir until it gives us a smooth paste, until it is homogeneous. We continue to stir and stir and stir and stir. Make sure that there are no noodles in the paste. If it is strong, we add in water, hot water. But if it is soft, we cover it to cook. As you can see, our fufu corn is ready. It is ready. It is looking creamy and fluffy. It's very nice, showing that it will be very delicious. It is very delicious. Now we are using the plantain leaves to wrap our fufu corn. We'll wrap it and store it in a pot. After storing in a pot, we put it in this wonder bag. This wonder bag is going to maintain the same temperature that the fufu corn was put in this bag. It will stay hot for 24 hours. As you can see, our Khati Khati is ready. Our Khati Khati is ready. We need some palm wine to push it down. If you like, you can use any wine to push it down. Wow! The family is at table. It's delicious.